Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Rydah, and today we're going to be installing the Whitestone Dome Glass on the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So right now I do have a screen protector installed on my phone. So I was just showing you guys that the fingerprint sensor is working, and yeah. So the Whitestone Dome Glass is said to have full ultrasonic recognition, full clarity, full coverage, and full filling. Over on the back of the phone, they're just going to go over what's inside the box, or basically what the screen protector is all about. And of course, you're going to get that UV light to cure the Loca glue. That's just the top of the box, and yeah. Shout out to Whitestone Dome for sending me 3 of these screen protectors. I really appreciate it. So let's get into it. Struggling a little bit here. Alright, so that looks like that's the installation tray. We have another box. Nothing in there. Let's go ahead and open this smaller white box. Cool. It looks like this is our UV lamp. It's got the Whitestone Dome Glass branding on it. 2 little legs so the lamp can, teabag your phone. Looks really good. We'll put that to the side. And it did, of course, come with a micro USB cable. You are still going to need your own power brick or a portable charger. Here we have the installation guide, which I definitely recommend you do read, because the installation for the S10 line, excluding the S10e, is a bit different from the rest. So definitely read that. Let's see what else we got. So this is the installation tray. I'm going to go over what's inside. So here we have a pack that has dust removal stickers, microfiber cloths, and alcohol swabs. So yeah, we'll put that to the side. Got some speaker grill covers, and you want those on your speaker grill to make sure glue doesn't get inside. We're going to put the pull pin to the side and pull out the main event, the tempered glass. Nice. The installation tray does come in 2 parts. You got a top half and a bottom half. Top half does have some little like drip grill or drip guards, just in case you get some extra glue running down the side of your phone. And on the bottom, you're going to get 2 vials of glue. And that little black part on the bottom tray is the bridge. So go ahead and put the top half to the side. Get my phone and take the case off. And here's my Galaxy S10 Plus. I do have a screen protector on it right now, like I said earlier. It's pretty nice, but it's not a Whitestone Dome Glass. So go ahead and wipe the top of my phone off and proceed by removing the screen protector. Rest in peace, old screen protector. You served your purpose for, a day or 2, but we're moving on to bigger and better things. So we'll start by getting an alcohol swab. Alcohol swab. My bad, guys. Bear with me. So we're gonna go ahead and open one of the alcohol swabs up. Here we go. Smells like 5 o'clock somewhere. Alright, let's go ahead and wipe the screen squeaky and clean. Nice. I swear the screen is as wet as your girlfriend was. I'm joking, I'm joking. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and take one of the microfiber cloths and wipe this girl dry. Sadly. But you know, it's part of the installation, man. Alright, I think we're good. Let's go ahead and sit the phone on the bottom half of the installation tray. Alright. Now we're going to get one of the dust removal stickers. I'm going to personally put mine in the shape of a little U. And we're just going to go ahead and go over the screen to make sure there's no dust or lint. We're good to go. Now I'm going to take one of my speaker grill covers and cover my speaker grill. Nice and carefully. I'm just going to run my finger over it a couple times, make sure it's on there all the way. I think we're good. We're good. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and put the top half of the tray onto the tray. All right, and just make sure you set it down. Make sure it clicks in. We're good to go. Next, we're gonna take the pull tab and put that right back in its slot. I'm just gonna make sure it's in all the way because I do not want to mess this up, guys. We're gonna take the bridge and put that into the little slot where the bridge goes. Perfect. And now we're gonna get one vial of glue. You're gonna start by taking off the colored cap. In my case, my cap is purple. And we're gonna unscrew that and put that within the bridge. And don't worry, the glue's not gonna pour out until we pull off the black cap. Once the black cap is off, then you're gonna see the screen or the glue start dispersing on the screen, and you're gonna want to let this sit for about 2 minutes. So I'm gonna, you know, fast forward this clip so you guys aren't sitting here looking at nothing. Alright, all the glue is now out of the tube. I'm going to go ahead and set the bridge and the tube of glue to the side. And we're going to go ahead and get the main event out of its little plastic sheet. We're going to take that off, and on the back we're also going to peel off the back plastic sheet thingy. And we're going to go ahead and place the tempered glass right above the screen. If you just line it up with the bottom of the tray, it'll sit nice and perfect on top of the pull tab. And we're going to go ahead and tilt the bottom of the installation tray until the glue hits the center, and then we're going to pull that tab out quickly. Alright, and as you can see, the glue's dispersing nice and evenly across the screen. You're going to want to let that sit all the way until you see it all spread out evenly. I let mine sit for about 2 minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and fast forward and let that run. Alright, it looks like the glue's spread out pretty evenly. We're going to go ahead and take the top half of the tray off. We're going to take our UV lamp and treat the bottom of the screen for about 15 seconds. Alright, we're going to turn it off now and treat the top half of the screen for 15 seconds as well. All right. So now we're gonna go ahead and open another alcohol swab and just set it to the side because we're gonna be using it next. I'm gonna take off my speaker grill cover and set that to the side. And we're gonna go ahead and take the phone out of the installation tray. So we're gonna go ahead and clean the sides of the phone. We're just gonna do clean, straight swipes to make sure that there's no excessive glue. Get it nice and clean. And it's looking great. So we're gonna move the bottom half of the installation tray, set the phone back down. So here's one important step. You're gonna wanna push your finger over the fingerprint sensor and treat the bottom half of the screen again. So of course let that run for 15 seconds again. All right. We're going to go ahead and treat the top half of the screen again for an additional 15 seconds. I'm just going to mess around with the fingerprint sensor, see if it works yet or not. We'll go ahead and give it a full test at the end of the video. I'm just messing around right now to see what we're working with. So I'm just gonna evenly treat the rest of the screen for a couple seconds. Go ahead and move it up a little bit. I think we're good to go now. Let's see, I'll move it up just a little bit more. All right, we're all done. Screen protector's installed. That's it. I honestly can't even tell that there's a screen protector on there besides that camera cutout. It looks really clear, guys. Let's go ahead and unlock the phone. And dude, oh my god, that clarity is amazing. It's like nothing's even there. The screen is just as sensitive as it was before. Wow, perfect. Nice. Let's do some fingerprint tests. Nice, first try it worked. Huh, no go. Oh. Is that it? Nope. No match. I'm gonna reprogram my fingerprints. Let's see if we can get some better results. So I've went ahead and reprogrammed my fingerprints. Things are working a lot better. I'm gonna go ahead and go through a series of tests, and I'll let you be the judge. Well, it looks like the fingerprint sensor's definitely working. Have not missed one since I've reprogrammed my fingerprints after the installation. Yeah, dude, this thing is on fire. It's a little slow, but it works. I don't mind trading out, 1 second for the protection and clarity that the Whitestone Dome does provide. Let's go ahead and try another finger. Nice. Let's try the other hand. No match. Oh, well, there we go. Nice. I gotta say, I'm very impressed with the Whitestone Dome Glass on my Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Things are looking great. Things are working great. It's perfect. Now I don't have to worry about my screen cracking if I were to drop it or, drop something on it. I do have a case on as well, clearly, and you can see that it is friendly with the case. There's no lifting going on. I don't know if that's the case being screen protector friendly, but I've gone through a couple of cases and the screen protector hasn't lifted not one bit, so I'm definitely going to have to recommend the Whitestone Dome Glass for the Galaxy S10 and the S10 Plus. It's just, you can't beat that. The clarity, the protection, the functionality, it's all there. I'm going to have to, give a big shout out to Whitestone Dome. Go buy one. Links in the description. I hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.
This is Rydah.